Are you buying a new home and afraid you might make a mistake? Artisan's got you covered. Hi, I'm John. I'll be your inspector, and we've got you covered with our 4 homebuyer warranties and the We'll Buy Your Home Back guarantee. First, there's the Platinum Roof Protection Plan. That's 5 full years of no-leak coverage for your roof. Second is the 90-day limited homeowner warranty, and for most appliances to structural issues, you're covered. Third is the Sewer Guard warranty, which covers you for up to $4,000 if a sewer or water line system in your home breaks, collapses, or develops a significant leak. And fourth, the Mold Safe warranty that protects your family from new visible mold if it wasn't found during your inspection. Plus, you'll also be getting the lifetime protection of Recall Check. Recall Check protects you and your family from unsafe appliances that have been recalled due to potential fire or safety hazards. Right now, you might be thinking, warranty is great, but how do I know you'll do a good job for me? Aside from inspecting well over 1,000 homes, I'm a certified professional home inspector with more than 30 years of experience in the industry, and I'm going to crawl into every nook and cranny of your new home. When I'm done, you'll get a detailed online report with each issue prioritized, including pictures and recommendations, as well as the additional warranties I just mentioned. No one can remove every risk of homeownership, but we can help you make sure you really are making the right choice. To schedule an inspection, please give us a call and dial 678-800-1291. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you at your inspection.